Yo guys, welcome to Legend. Today we are back here with another drone flight. Today is a really nice day. There's no wind at all and we're in this nice area. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna take off. So let's get a 360 view. This area. See, you can see the London skyline here. It's a really nice day today. So without further ado, we're gonna do a 360 photo. This is what it looks like down. So yeah, let's do a 360 photo. Alright, 360 photo complete. We're now gonna just fly around now. So, alright, let's see where to fly. I wanna first explore this area down here. Let's go to these buildings over here. Let's get a shot of. Let's get a shot down here. See, it's a really nice day to fly. So let's get an orbit shot. Wow, that is amazing. Alright, let's start heading back now. So there's a canal over here. Look, we're gonna get a shot of that as well. It's a really nice day. Pretty much no wind at all. So we're gonna get a long flight time because my flight time is usually reduced when there's wind. Alright, let's see where else we can go. Let's explore this area down here. Let's get a descending shot as well as we go down. I'm gonna explore this area. Look at that shot, it's amazing. So getting an ascending orbit shot, as you can see. See, what else can we get shots of? What's down here? Let's explore down here as well. Look at that nice building. Looks really nice. I want to get a descending shot of this area as well. So let's get a shot. Let's get a close down shot of this. Alright, let's get a ascending shot. Look down there, there's a train depot there. Let's go near that after. We're just gonna explore that a little bit. So it's down here, this train depot. So we're gonna get a shot of that as well. So I think that's the Jubilee line train depot. You can see the Jubilee line right there. Just gonna get a shot of it. Yeah, let's just get a static shot. I don't really get static shots, so we're just gonna like get a shot of it for a little while. You can see the trains in the background as well. Now let's come back now. Let's get a shot. So yeah, what else can we film? Let's go down here. There's buildings. Okay, let's come back here, yeah? Look at that shot, look at that. I need to orbit this. That is amazing. And we'll get that shot as we come back. So as you can see, we're getting a shot of this area. See, there's something to do with grids over here. We're just gonna get an orbit shot of that. We're just gonna go around it. Nice shot. Alright, start heading back. This is a truck, as you can hear right now. That's the truck, as you can see. So I don't want to get low down shots too often. So let's get a shot of this canal. Let's get a shot of this building as well, which is right next to us. See, look at that shot. Insane. I don't know what else we can get shots of. Let's go down this canal. Let's get a static shot here. Alright, let's start him back now. Let's get a shot of coming here. You know what? You know, in the beginning of my last flight, which I flew in Mile End Park, I'm gonna fly straight down. So I'm gonna fly straight down, and I'm gonna get shot. I'm gonna get shot of going straight. So I'm gonna keep going straight now, and I'm gonna time lapse it in the beginning of this flight. So you should do, because it looked really good, and I'm gonna speed it up as well. So I'm gonna get shots like this. I'm gonna fly over, and we're gonna get a shot of this. I'm gonna time lapse it for the beginning of this video. All right. So we've got enough shots. So we've got a train over here. I mean train track. Let's get a shot of this train that's coming. Let's get a sideways shot as well. Now I want to get a low down shot of these canals. So let's walk over to these canals. Oh no, walk over there. There's my bike over there as well. And we've got a nice static shot as we got that. Alright, so let's bring the drone over here. So let's bring it down. As we do that, we'll get a static shot of Stratford. Alright, let's get a low down shot of this.
Like, yo, cool, let's go Enchanted vlog and stuff. Bro, we started with those lines. So it was like, cool. That caused everything in the end. Everything to happen. Who's people to get close? Who's people to the distance? Those few were interested to get bullied together. Bro, it's so cool.
Right, what an insane shot. What else can I get a shot of? Let's get a close shot of this.
Also the reality graph.
Alright, birds are coming close to it, so I'm just going to go up a little bit and just get a shot like this. Then we're going to land it. Alright, so I guess I'm going to land it now. There's not much other shots we can get. Let's get a shot of this. See, that was a nice flight. I'm going to land it now. Alright. So that was my amazing drone flight. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you in the next one.